Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the ESFOE man smartwatch with a phone function. And a really big and tall 1.85 inches screen size. This is one of the biggest smartwatch I ever had here. This is an military smartwatch with 730 mAh long battery life. And there's a cool feature built in, the LED light emitted diode torch. On the side, there is no digital chrono anymore, but there is now an LED, a torch light. It's IP68 waterproof. That means you can dip it underwater. It's waterproof, real waterproof. It is a fitness watch with over 100 of sports mode. It's a health monitoring device too, and it's possible to use that in smartphone for Android system and iOS system. There's on the market the midnight and the space gray version. We have a large display. Because of that, we will get large images. The ESFOE smartwatch for men offers the largest round display on the market with its 1.85 inches Ultra HD full touch display. The high resolution IPS display with 360 to 360 pixels and 100% RGB color gamut ensures the vivid colors and sharp details, even in sunlight or low light conditions. And it's particularly suitable for users with low vision. The generous screen allows for effortless operation, even for men with wide arms and big fingers. The elegant, frameless full metal design perfectly complements the classic round dial, combining functionality with modern style and military standard quality, an IP68 waterproof level. The ESFOE6 man smartwatch with a one-piece stainless steel case and Corning Gorilla 9H double-layer glass of the third generation offers outstanding scratch, drop, and polishing resistance and meets 15 military standards for extreme temperature, low pressure, and dust resistance. This tactical smartwatch is IP68 waterproof and can withstand daily water splashes or short immersion. We should take note that despite the water resistance, beware when swimming. Bathing or in hot springs should be avoided for a long time to avoid possible damage. And this military smartwatch with LED torch comes by ESFOE. Yeah, that's for man. It's equipped with a very bright light-emitted diode torch on the side that can light up to 20 meters and supports us with a reliable light source on our width. Whether camping or hiking at night, looking for items in the car, or as an emergency light in case of power outage, this powerful torch provides enough brightness to see our environment clearly. It is particularly suitable for outdoor athletes, such as night runners, cyclists, and adventurers, as well as for night shift workers to move safely in the dark. And 730 mAh capacity. This is one of the largest battery on market. This man's watch has the powerful Realtek 8773 EWE VP chip and a 730 mAh cobalt battery that triples the battery life compared to conventional smartwatches on the market. Thanks to the integration of an advanced intelligent power management system and optimized AI algorithm, the watch is able to significantly extend the service life and the frequent charging reduction. The battery lasts up to 100 days in standby mode and provides 7 to 10 days of use after 2 hours of charging. This is ideal for a long journey and, of course, for an intensive use. And, of course, it's a sport watch, so you have over 100 sports modes and health monitoring on top. The Sports Tracker smartwatch has more than 100 professional sports modes and can record our health data such as training, duration, heart rate, steps, distance, and calorie burn in real time. With the new AI sports algorithm, the smartwatch provides more precise data acquisition to ensure the accuracy of sports monitoring. In addition, the watch is equipped with an advanced optical PPG biotracker that monitors our heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen content, and sleep quality in real time. Of course, this is not a medical device. The measurement status is for a reference only. And we have Bluetooth calls and notifications, because this Android or iOS smartwatch has an AI voice assistant. This message, notification, and call functionality. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 dual smart chip and a hi-fi speaker, it also supports push notifications from apps such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, and X. Never miss important text messages and phone calls, especially when driving, jogging, exercising, etc. The AI assistant helps us to have our hands free, to easily make calls, to check the weather and set reminders with a single command. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.0 and above, of course. And it's really easy to set up, as you can see. The only thing is we have to download the app, and of course after we run the app, the app is easy peasy, and with the app we can pair the watch with our phone. The app which we have to download is the Fit Cloud Pro, FITCLOUD Pro. And then we can start and use our face of our smartwatch. We can choose to make a setup of the functionalities of the setup process and so on. And then we have a really big smartwatch in our hands and on our wrist with two silicone straps. This is the ESFOE man smartwatch with phone function. 1.85 inches screen. It's a military smartwatch with a long battery life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.